Namaste, welcome yogis. Today I'm going to take you through another 5-minute yoga sequence. These are my top 3 favorite yoga poses to tone your belly and also to reduce bloating. So they can be done every day. You don't need any props, and we're just going to go and start right off. So I'm going to say by far, when it comes to like toning the abdominals as a whole, plank pose is the best pose that you'll want to practice on a regular basis. So you want to start with your hands underneath your shoulders, fingertips spreading wide, and then walking your feet back behind you. Try to keep your shoulders directly over the top. And then you're going to reach your tailbone back towards your heels. And instead of pushing your stomach out, think of lifting and toning the navel back. Extend the crown of your head and shrug your shoulders down and away from your ears. Really contract and engage through your abdominals. Again, not by pushing out, but by drawing the navel in. You can always modify this by dropping your knees down towards the floor. As long as you maintain that contraction, it's going to be just as effective for you. From your plank pose, toning towards the waist, so for a little bit of a slimmer waist and to really work into your obliques, you can transition into your side plank pose. So rolling both heels over to the right, lean onto your right hand and extend your left arm up. So you'll feel this contract and engage all along the right side of your belly. And you can always modify this by dropping and letting your right knee come down to the floor. So really wonderful. And we'll go to the other side. Left hand comes down, rolling both heels over towards the left. Right arm stretches up to the sky. So think of pushing your feet into the floor in order to lift your hips up higher. And you want to stay here for like at least 5 breaths or so if you're going to be practicing this little sequence regularly. Remember, bottom knee can always be down on the floor for more support. So once you've done your plank and side planks, I like to move into upward facing dog. So keeping the hands underneath your shoulders, point the toes back and stretch completely through your belly. Open up your heart. This is a wonderful pose to minimize and eliminate bloating. Just a few breaths here as you inhale. And then you can let your knees sit back onto your heels. So if practiced regularly, working on strengthening your plank pose, either with knees on or off the floor, followed by side plank pose to really target through the waist and work into the obliques, and then interweaving upward facing dog where you get to stretch and really expand through the front of the body. This is how you'll really find some nice toning through your abdominals, toning through your belly, and also helping to eliminate any bloating that you might be experiencing. So I hope you guys found this helpful. I have a few other of these quick 5-minute yoga classes here on YouTube. If you're looking for other quick fixes, like easy top 3 poses for either low back pain, upper back pain, morning energy, or whichever it may be, I'll link to those down below in the description box. But again, if there's something else that you'd like me to produce here on my channel, if you're looking for more 5-minute yoga, leave me a comment, leave me a request, and I would love to put something together for you. I hope you find this helpful. Thank you so much. Namaste.